This last week has been so hectic, just trying to get the house together. The furniture and everything has finally come in, and I'm just slowly building all the furniture, Bob the Builder edition, and it's finally coming along. I am so proud of myself for assembling this. I don't normally build a ton of furniture, so this is next level unlocked. I built the TV console as well as a sideboard in my bedroom. It is 1 a.m. I'm calling it a night. Before I go to bed, I just want to show you, I'm still missing the doors on either side, but this looks beautiful. And I'm so happy with the furniture I got. This is actually from StructTube. Same with the TV console that I built today. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna call it a night. See you tomorrow. Is it bedtime? She's so tired. A little update on the home. Finally built the sideboard here. It looks really great. I do have to hang the paintings that I got in Italy. I have my vinyl player there, and the bench is still work in progress, but we're almost there. Hi everyone, I just quickly got ready. I am loving the space so much, and yeah, it's absolutely everything that I envisioned. So I'm very excited to create content here. Today I am going for brunch with a girlfriend, and then I think we're gonna go to Costco together. I need to get groceries for this house because there is absolutely nothing in here. I just have instant noodles. So yeah, I definitely need to do that. So I will see you in a bit. I just came back from Costco, so I wanted to do a quick little Costco haul. First up, I have some snacks. Also got these dried mangoes because dried mangoes are so delicious. It's such a great snack. Costco essentials. I have my soup dumplings. This is great for on the go. You just like put it in the microwave and they're actually quite delicious. I got some pasta sauce, olive oil, lactose-free milk. I got apples, guys. I am gonna start juicing apple juice again. I cannot wait. Also picked up probably several years worth of spaghetti. And in my kitchen, I was actually missing various sized pans. I got eggs, I got some chicken thighs, grabbed rice, oyster sauce. I usually like to have this with my Asian veggies. Canned tuna, really healthy alternative. I'll eat this with rice and seaweed. Had to pick up salt and pepper, Spam, and I also picked up garbage bags. Also received a package. Definitely feels like Christmas. I am getting packages left and right. Got a ton of metal straws. I have some, comes with 2 straw cleaners, which is great. Oh, yay. I also got some really nice cups. Oops. So I got 4 of these really cute cups. I think they'll be a great addition for the home. But yeah, that's basically my mini haul. I'm supposed to get like 6 Amazon packages today, so I'll unbox those when I get them. So all the Amazon packages came in. Perfect timing. I'm gonna unbox these. So first up, I got a mini trash can because I actually like using this as my compost. I picked up a few more boxes of the Nextcare pimple stickers. These are the ones that work super well. Also got another roll of liners. I got a Brita filter, and I also got a Nespresso pod organizer. I originally ordered the wrong one, so thankfully I have this and I can just like organize the sideboard in the dining area now.